Have you ever asked how birds know where to go when they migrate? It's like they have a built-in GPS. Birds use a combination of instinct, the position of the sun, and even the stars to navigate. They can sense Earth's magnetic field, which guides them like a compass. This incredible ability helps them find their way over long distances, sometimes thousands of miles. They also remember landmarks and seasonal changes, which help them know when to head home. Juvenile birds learn from their parents, picking up these skills as they grow. So, when you see birds flying south, they're not just wandering. They're following a path they've known for ages. It's nature's amazing navigation system,